ECN Trade Technical Analysis Webinar. Good morning, my name is Robert Clayton. The price action in the Australian dollar overnight for the second time broke above 77 cents to record a high of 77.21. Respecting the resistance at 77.30, the market has now sharply turned away and now looking down towards the support of 76.40 with an intraday range holding at 76.40 to 90. I do anticipate further weakness. If you look further with a 4-hour technical picture, it's breaking down even further. So I look for a fall towards 75, 85, 95, which could see short-term demand. Any break above 77.30 would, however, see a bull rally up towards 78 cents. But while we still have the 1-hour, 4-hour pattern still breaking down, I view this very hard to support. Euro dollar showing a very strong rally after a break of 113.80 overnight. Failed to continue on, and you can see now from the picture that's holding is that the technical pattern is breaking down quite heavily. On the day, I expect to see a range of 113.65 to 114.30. And if we see a break of 65, then this should support it even lower down towards 113.05 and then 112.40. If we see a close above 114.30 in New York on Monday from Friday night to Monday morning, then I will support a move up towards 115, 116. However, with the technical picture back in a negative sentiment, I still feel that the US dollar strength can come back and see further pressure to the downside on euro and also to the pound. The range of the sterling still looks for a fall towards 143.20 and lower down towards 141.60.80 before demand returns. Unless we get a break above 144.50, then the negative pattern should hold. Even when you look at the 4-hour, that still comes in quite heavy to a negative sentiment also. So the story really, from what I'm looking for, is the US dollar strength to return in the next 12 to 24 hours and see Aussie, Euro and Sterling under pressure. Dollar Yen, respectively, still finds demand sub 112 with the technical pattern clearly seen here bullish. I'm looking for a move away from 111.80 up towards 112.70 and higher up towards the highs seen around about 114, the figure. While this pattern holds, I still feel dollar strength will continue and yen weakness will still be holding into next week. And to wrap up with gold, the break above 112.30 yesterday attempted to challenge that level at 112.45, seen as a key resistance, but failed to meet. With another weak oscillator coming through, I'm looking for a move down towards 1,220 and lower if it's broken towards 1,202, with a major key level seen at 1,190. If we get a break above 1,245, then this would support a move up to the highs seen around about 1,270, but this looks unlikely. So just to wrap up, I see US dollar strength returning with the Australian dollar, the euro and sterling to be weaker, and dollar yen to rally up towards the highs of 113 to 114 and gold to be weaker. Have a great day and enjoy the weekend. Thank you for listening.